It can take a long time for a smartphone OEM to complete the development process of an upcoming device. This is especially true with their flagship phones, as they need to make sure that even the smallest details are worked out. This results in some reports revealing information about a device that isn't even going to be released until the next year. That is what we've seen lately with the Galaxy S10. A new report from market analysts says Samsung will be outfitting the upcoming Galaxy S10 with 3 cameras, similar to what Huawei did with the P20 Pro. Samsung has likely spent well over 12 months developing and designing their upcoming flagship smartphone for the Galaxy S series. Rumors say that Samsung may not even call the device the Galaxy S10. Instead, they could switch over to a new naming scheme as the Galaxy X, with X standing for 10. As with most plans for an unreleased smartphone though, these details could change multiple times before the phone is released, so we'll need to wait until we hear something more official from Samsung to be sure. Samsung has finally settled on using Qualcomm's ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor in the Galaxy S10, according to Korean news outlet ET News. The same publication claimed just last week that Samsung was likely turning to Qualcomm for its sensor, instead of developing its own, but now the news has been confirmed by Samsung itself. A statement from the South Korean tech giant reads, "Samsung Electronics has decided to commercialize the display fingerprint reader on the Galaxy S10. We know Samsung Display is in charge of the display and Qualcomm is in the spotlight. Qualcomm's ultrasonic sensor will be more accurate than some other in-display sensors we've seen from Chinese phone manufacturers, as it emits ultrasonic waves that can detect minute details in a user's fingerprint." Another feature set to make its way into the Galaxy S10 is a triple lens camera. The news comes via Samobile, and obviously wouldn't be the first time we've seen a triple lens camera in a smartphone, but after seeing the photos the Huawei P20 Pro can produce, it's no surprise to see other manufacturers wanting to implement similar systems in their devices. No exact details of Samsung's alleged triple lens system have been confirmed. KB Securities analyst Kim Dong-won says it will be a feature of the Galaxy S10. He adds that there will be a 3D sensor in the phone, presumably on the front for facial recognition purposes. While Samsung wouldn't be first to market with 3 lenses, it claims it would rather provide a better user experience than be the first to introduce a new technology. Hopefully then we can expect great things from Samsung's camera. Apple is said to be developing a triple lens camera system too, although as for when we see it remains unclear. Some reports say it won't arrive until 2019, while others say it will feature on the iPhone X Plus, due to be unveiled later this year in September. This is why the Galaxy S10 could end up missing out on the in-display fingerprint sensor yet again, even though current rumors suggest it will have one, along with the Galaxy Note 9. The small camera sensors we have in our smartphones are only capable of doing so much. This level of photo quality has improved to some impressive levels these last few years, but OEMs are constantly looking for ways to outdo the competition. Since these small sensors are only capable of doing so much, OEMs have resorted to including multiple sensors. Huawei decided to put 3 cameras on the back of the P20 Pro, and Samsung may be doing the same for the upcoming 2019 flagship smartphone. The report also says the phone will come equipped with a 3D sensor, which, if true, will likely sit on the front of the phone and improve the accuracy of Samsung's facial unlock feature. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is likely to launch in early 2019. More specifically, we might see it in January at CES 2019, if one rumor is to be believed. That takes place from January 8 to 11. Failing that, it might land at MWC 2019, as Samsung announced the Galaxy S9 range at MWC 2018. Next year's show takes place from February 25 to 29, so mark it in your calendar if you're eager to see what's next from the S range.